Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's...
Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I have two boxes from Boxycharm, the base box and the premium box. It is from January because the shipping company I use takes a little longer, but I know now here from March and April it will be much better. And I know that today, as I'm filming, my February boxes is coming, so why not make one unboxing from January, because you have seen a lot of them and now you got to see what I got. So if you want to see it, sit back and relax and enjoy, see the goodies I've got. And if you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome. It means the world to me that people want to join me here in my little family. If you like my content and my channel, please hit that subscribe button down there, hit the bell so you get notified every time I upload. Press all videos, then you got to decide, do I want to watch this or do I want to watch that? Because I do make most English videos, but I do make Danish videos also. So you got to choose yourself. And do you like this video? Smack that like button down there. I'll be very, very happy if you did that. Are you a returner? Welcome back. It means the world to me that you are here, and keep coming back. Shall we dig into these boxes? Let's take the base box first. I have made them in red because why not? And January was fresh start. This is my paper because I don't get that. In here is from Deep Sweep 2% BHA pore cleaning toner with moringa and papaya. This is a big one, and I have seen this is cruelty free, paraben free, formaldehyde free, synthetic fragrance free, phthalate free, minerals oil free. And this has a value of $28. And yeah, you can hear it's glass. I like that. It's very heavy, very, very heavy because it is glass. For $28, I can't wait to use that. So I'm happy to get that. Then I chose for January, I chose this pure 4-in-1 tinted moisturizer. I got it in LN2, and I think it is quite good match. I can't wait to try this. This has a value of $35. And it is cruelty free, vegan and gluten free. 50 gram or 1.7 fluid ounces. And then I got from Bailey Balm sweet orange and coconut. This is such a green one. Is $33. I got one in a wooden box, not the same scent as this, but almost. It is very nice, but $33, I like it, and I'm not unhappy I got this, so, but it's a high price. Then I got from Seraphine Apple and Balm Glow Lip Mask. It looks like this. Come on, hocus pocus focus. Yeah. And we can have a look inside. It looks like this. It is cruelty free. And I like this cap. I don't know why. I just like cruelty free and vegan. And this Seraphine has a value of $25. And then we come to the one I hoped I did not get, but I did. It is this Ciate, the Velvet palette. It feels nice, it looks nice, but I don't know how to feel about this. They look nice, and I hope the pigmentation is better. Come on, yeah. You can see the shimmer satins. It looks amazing. Very beautiful. There's a mirror in here. 12 shadows in here, but I have seen swatches of these. Not good. But I will see how it performs and see if I like it. But $30, yeah, that was all for the base box. And in here is the total value of the base box is $151. That's okay. They say it should have a value about $150, and it has. So now we take my old box. It is old now, but it's not old. You know what I mean. And fresh start, we all know that. And here is from Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. This humongous, look at that. It is in lavender. It is a setting powder. Let's just see if it has that. Ooh. Okay, there is this inside you can put in. I like that. How nice is that? This is a big container. It is not purple. This has a value of $32 for this big one. That's alright. Yeah, it cost, oh my god. And then we got, again from Fenty Beauty, a mascara. And it's called 'Cause I'm Black. I love Rihanna's makeup. Look at that. And it is humongous. $24 for this. Yeah. And then I got from Lashes MD Eyelash Eyebrow Conditioner. This has a value of $69.95, so almost $70. The box looks like this, $70 almost, and it looks like this. This I look forward to use because I need something for my brows and my lashes. $70 is a lot, I think. And then we got from PMD Silver infused microfiber makeup removing cloth. this one, and this has a value of $30, and I must say $30 for that, but why not? And then I got Summer Fridays Jet Black Mask Hydrate. It looks like that, and this has a value of $48. It looks like that. I don't like that it looks like someone has pushed on it. Again, this, and this should sit on for some time. There's some paper in here how you do it, and $48, yeah. And now to the thing I'm most happy to get. Smile, you are beautiful. Look. But what do you want to see? You want to see what I got here. Just gotta open this. Look at that. Ooh. It is called Good to Go Mini Mix Palette. This costs, oh my god, this costs so much here. Look at that. It is a beautiful pink. Oh, and that little green. Look at that. Minty green. Yeah. Oh, so soft, and it doesn't have scent. I really like this. I'm so happy. This has a value of $39, and in total this box has a value of $242.95. Am I pretty happy? Yeah. I got for almost $400, so why shouldn't I be happy? I live in Denmark. So if I should take the prices what we give here for the things, oh my, I would have saved a lot of money. A ton of money. What do you think of my January boxes? I know they are late, but I can't do anything about it. But I know today is my February is coming today, and I will be filming it very quick after this, so I would put this up as soon as possible, and then I put my February up, and then we gotta wait for March. Did you get some of the same things? Were there things in here you would have wanted to get or not? Please leave a comment down there. I will always answer. And don't forget, you can love each other from afar. Please go and check my Instagram out if you like eye looks like this. Go check it out. It will mean the world to me. And if you want me to follow, just follow. I will follow back. Yeah. Have an amazing day and stay safe. See you very soon. Love you. Bye.